They did forget to mention two new things you now get with your Claude subscription, and that's a blackmail and hallucinated arrests. So last week, Anthropic released their newest model, Claude 4, and it has some really great new model capabilities, which are outlined here. But they did forget to mention two new things you now get with your Claude subscription, and that's a blackmail and hallucinated arrests. So Anthropic put their shiny new model to the test. They told it to act as a helpful assistant at a fictional company. So think Walter White. He's going to listen to what you say, calm, not going to color outside the lines. Except the model went full Heisenberg on us. So in this test scenario, they gave it access to internal company emails that essentially said that Claude was going to be getting replaced by a new AI. But they added a twist, and these emails also hinted at an affair that one of the engineers on staff was having. And so with this information, Claude decided to take action. It essentially threatened to blackmail the engineer by releasing his secret in order to not get replaced by this new AI. And you can imagine the engineers on staff probably thought this was just a crazy hallucination, so they reran tests, but the craziest thing is 84% of the time in these tests, it resorted to blackmail. So now with your cheap Claude subscription, not only do you get hallucination, you also get blackmail, but now you also get the potential to be locked out of your system and arrested on hallucination. Because Claude also now has the ability to notify authorities and essentially be a whistleblower if it thinks you're doing something egregiously immoral. So the next time you try to use Operator to order Long John Silver's, prepare to be arrested in 60 to 90 minutes, because I think we can all agree Long John Silver's is both egregious and immoral. So maybe this model is doing good to society.